I'm going to show you how to do the WPS Wi-Fi setup of your Epson WorkForce 2960 all-in-one printer. So first step is to go to the printer control panel. Now go to the printer panel and scroll ahead. Click on the settings, general settings, network setting, Wi-Fi setup. Select Wi-Fi recommended, start setup, select push button setup WPS. Now go to your wireless router. If your router has a WPS button like this, you can press and hold it for 3 seconds and release it. Or if you have a router with a display screen, then you have to go down and look for the WPS. Connect to Wi-Fi device and press OK. So it gives 2 minutes for the connection to set up. On the printer display panel, click on the start setup. Setup is complete and our printer is connected to the Wi-Fi network. Now we can go back to the main screen, so press the home button. Now you can add your printer in any device.